Hello, my name's Cam at Motormatch Stoke, and today I'll be showing you around this approved used Audi A3 finished in this eye-catching blue colour. This 2022 model comes with a 1 litre petrol TFSI engine with a manual gearbox transmission. The LED headlights will illuminate the road, giving the driver perfect visibility, and when the car is locked, the side mirrors will automatically fold. It stands on 17-inch 5 parallel spoke alloy wheels, and comes with a practical 425 litres of boot capacity. Stepping into the back, we do see the all-black interior with the matching black leather seats. There is an armrest located on the middle seat, and when folded down it does reveal 2 exposed cup holders. All of the seats in the back do have ISOFIX points, and there is a centre console for climate control. Moving on into the front, we do see the beautiful and luxurious dashboard with the additional trimmings, and we see the continuation of the black seats, this time with the additional side supports for longer journeys. Taking a look at the 3-spoke leather-wrapped multifunction steering wheel, we do see on the left the controls for the audio and secondary screen, and on the right we'll find the options for voice control. The secondary screen itself displays a digital speedometer and rev counter, and has different display options for driver preference, which can show navigation as well as media and driving data. The Audi MMI touchscreen located in the middle does include features like satellite navigation, radio with FM and DAB, and normal Bluetooth connectivity. You can also take calls hands-free when the phone is paired, and there are many other options to scroll through. Below the infotainment system, we do see the climate control options, with Max Eco on and off being the toggleable settings. We then see the drive select button, which brings up comfort, auto, dynamic and individual depending on what type of drive you're going on. And at the bottom there is a place to store your phone with 2 USB charging ports. The volume controls is a touch sensitive button. By scrolling left and right you will be able to adjust the volume. There are 2 exposed cup holders, and the leather wrapped steering wheel can be lifted up to reveal more storage. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video on the approved used Audi A3. For additional information, please contact our sales team now.